But I can wait 10 minutes too.
Topic for their master thesis, PhD thesis, or for kind of Erasmus Plus project ideas and this stuff. Because as we talked during this 10 minutes, I said this is something like combination of engineering and management, and then Dr. Sanati said, oh, with some disciplines approach like financial.
What's that now? Hmm?
Internet of Energy. We start at 2:30 because some of us didn't join the Adobe Connect, maybe because of some technical problem or other just that's why we did later. But before we start, maybe I can little bit to Dr. Sanati about topic, and then maybe in 2:35 in 5 minutes we will start the speech. As I said before we start the official speech, I said to Dr. Sanati, today many students in different faculties like engineering faculties or management, they can use this kind of hybrid to combine energy, engineering or management together. And then said, yes, there are some disciplines like finance or the other topic. Now I would like to ask him to a little bit explain about these points for us.
Yeah, Dr. Doost Mohammadian, as you know, when you want to consider subjects as a total view, you should see in which parts you need some proficiency to adapt and customize the subject and the methods that they use in order to cover the requirements of the energy management using IoT. So I guess one of the big software objects. So I guess we have similar things that we consider. For example, the experts that are working on environmental subjects and health and, for example, safety. It also can be affected by the Internet of Energy. So it's important to consider and define the blocks that can be building blocks of this subject, and they totally make the Internet of Energy as a whole approach, and considering all the parameters that can affect the decisions and the behaviors of the consumers and producers, and also find what kind of partners we need and how we can support different sectors to define, for example, research projects or some type of project. For Internet of Energy, I guess it can be useful.
When we need to focus on developing industrial sector in most its applications, and also the important topic, human resource. This Internet of Things, digitalization, as you explained about, for example, if you want to get success in this market because of the very strong competition, you must have knowledge, know-how, and do-how in this field, and then you can show your abilities and strong power inside the business. Now is almost hello, Manfred. Hello. Hello, Manfred. I lost my access.
Yes, I lost your video too.
I can see your video. I think you have to reconnect to the e-learning room.
Shall I reconnect again? Hello, Manfred. Hello, can you please check my access, please?
Yes.
Thank you. Sorry, Dr. Sanati, because of interruption. That was technical problem.
Yeah, I see. But I don't have your video. It's paused.
You just one second.
Okay, thank you. I think you have my video now.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the first discussion. If you do agree, now is almost 2:40 and we can start.
Yes, it's okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Now we are going to start our second webinar for Erasmus Plus project, Internet of Energy, Education Qualification. Or is the role of energy management and IoT in Industry 4.0 and its effect on human resource competencies. Our first speaker is Dr. Farshid, Roayat, Sanati, and the second one is me, Hamid Doost Mohammadian. First of all, I would like to explain for you how, at first, in 2-3 minutes, I try to introduce the speaker. also after then at the end, in 10 minutes, we are going to discuss about answers. If you do agree, you can start. He is at the moment CEO at Nilgro. GmbH in Germany, in Düsseldorf, in a company. Has more than 20 years experience in project management for automotive and management. He had more than 400 seminars in several companies. Also, he had more than 20 years experience for holding lecture at different universities in different levels. Second person is me, Hamid Doost Mohammadian. I'm senior consultant at Industrial Management Institute. I had on speeches, workshops in panels. More than 20 years I had managed at the moment. I am a professor in Germany, and I have more than 10 years experience professor at different university and also national. Besides this, I had several books and number of publications in different journals and conferences in the combination of management, engineering, energy, and sustainability. Contents should be about introduction of company Nilgro, energy management and IoE, internal energy production to consumption chain, industry 4.0, a combination of advanced technologies, dimensions of industry 4.0, industry 4.0 readiness check, synchronized development, business architecture, human resource development, the 5 rights, human resource planning, strategic way to start to explain about his company Nilgro.
Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the webinar. Okay, and the projects that we have done in different countries. Let's please start, Mantis. Nilgro company, part of holding, and is an engineering, supply, and commissioning company. And we have several projects in different companies in Kazakhstan, Turkey, Italy, and Germany, in steel industry, petrochemical companies, and also in oil and gas. That was the main part of our profession. We had some projects for smart factories. So have some technical consulting for companies. In some companies, it's also a huge project. For example, we have a project in the steel industry in Iran that have 200 equipment in this process, and you suppose that how much data is necessary and how much technical everybody knows that when you want to go to the difficult to all the limitations and the complexity that exists in the current condition of the manufacturing process and operations. For example, suppose that you want to move toward machine learning and understanding or using the new method in your decision making and providing more valuable data for your managers. At first, you need to know what kind of technology do you have and what are the current situations. Go especially in international level, and you want to in different countries use that cultures and different level of infrastructure that is in public sector, and also an image of that in the factories. You can see that it should be considered that every country has its own limitation. So in technical consulting, designed from technical point of view, and also for supplying the equipment and devices that are necessary, we do the supply and logistics, and especially the core business of our company 0